This one has damage right on this quarter panel and the rear door here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm out in the car.
So I have a Nissan Rogue here. This one has damage right on this quarter panel and the rear door here. You can see the quarter panel stuffed a good ways in. It's a small area though. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the metalwork on the door and get that where it's supposed to be. And then I will weld some tabs on this and pull this edge out to get it to line up with the rear door. And once I get that edge out, then I'll go ahead and work the rest of the metal into shape. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to weld this tab on here and make a pull to start bringing that out. Then I'll probably have to put a couple more tabs on there as it all comes out. So I got this edge to walk out. It's actually just about perfectly flush with the door now. So I'm going to cut these tabs off and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my metal work on this quarter panel.